How to delete background music in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your background music in InShot. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, and there is two different ways that you can remove the background music on video on InShot. Now if you're wishing to edit a video, you want to simply open up InShot application, right? Now here you'll get an interface like this. Once you open up InShot, you want to simply select the video. You want to open up the video that you wish to remove the background music from. Now I'll just open up this particular video here. Now there are two different ways, as I said here, right? Now the first thing is you want to select the video, and what you want to do is you want to select the volume option here. Once you tap on volume here, you can see you can decrease the volume to 0 and the volume will be reduced from here. Now the other way is what you can do is you can simply extract the audio. First select the video that you wish to remove the background from, and then what you want to do is you want to extract the audio. You want to swipe here all until you find the option extract audio. Now you can see if you tap on volume option, you can see extract audio. Simply tap on extract audio and you can see the audio has been extracted. Simply tap on delete and the audio will be deleted. So this way you can delete background music in InShot. If you wish to add another music, you want to simply tap on music option on the screen, tap on music plus option, and then you can add it from your device, or you can do a voiceover by tapping on record option as well. So this way you can delete background music in InShot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.